Let me show you how you can schedule your videos before posting them. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiki Empire. If you're just watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. I love you. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you for being there for me. And I'm here to take you step by step on how you can schedule your posts. In case you make a video and you don't want to post that video after editing it, after filming it, so I'm going to show you what you will do and how you can schedule it to the time you want to post it. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial. So guys, I'll go to my Chrome browser, click on create, and then import my video. Okay, I've taught you how you can import your video in my last post. Okay, you can go to my channel and check on the video. So guys, this is it. I'm going to click on the video I want to post. I've clicked on it, so it's loading. Okay, after loading, it's going to bring me back to my channel. Yes, here is my channel. Okay, so guys, what next? First of all, tick this video is not for kids. Once I click on this video is not meant for kids, I will now go to visibility. Yes, I just ticked on it. Then I will now go to visibility. You can see, check the arrow. Now it will bring me to this interface where I can choose either public, private, or schedule. Okay, so depending the one you want. Now the purpose of this tutorial is to do a schedule post, how to schedule the post. So I'm going to click on schedule. Once I click on this schedule, you follow the arrow. Okay, once I click on schedule, it will take me to where I can choose the date I want. I've clicked on it. Then I'm going to choose the date I want. Once I choose my date, it will take me to where it will not take me to where I will click on the time I want the video to be posted. Okay, so I will click on it. As you can see, I'll click on the time. So once I click on the time, I will now schedule the post. So this is how to schedule your post. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.